Hey guys, today I have cats. Oh, please don't tell me. Oh, she wants to go in the house. Oh, come on. Oh, don't. It's Jake Ibrahim. Well, I hate cats, but I just want them. Oh, that's the number one. Where are you? Oh, man. And she seems to follow me. Look at the two cats. Hey, okay. This one loves me. Oh, but please, I know you love me. Okay, guys. Don't even be going there in the closet. Wait, I'm just doing a video. Hi, guys. My nanny bear. Okay. Now this one has a crush on me. Oh, man. Oh, okay. I know you're falling in love with me. This guy is falling in love with me. Ow. Oh. Someone wants to go in the door. Oh, knocky in the wakey. Okay. If you want, you can go. Hey! I'm not your foodie. You know I'm not food. Ew, stop. No. I know your biggest crush is me. Oh, yeah. I know what's that. That's a poo-poo. That's one. Oh, I think I know what she's doing. She was pooping right over here. Oh, guys, okay. Now I know. Okay. Look here where I shoot the birds. So I have them. Here we go. Shh. Mama's gonna have a crush on me. She has a crush on me. She's gonna kill me.
Then, Mom.
And that's just my neighbor, guys. She's just looking at my cats. I'm not that one because that one there's like nice animals.